I am Curtis Hairston, better known as Curtis Hairston. I am one of the guides of the Street Art and Workshop Tour, originally coming from Brooklyn, New York, and living in Berlin for about almost 6 years now. But sometimes people's interpretations of it is just really too deep. Why did I pick Berlin? That's quite simple. It felt like a mixture of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Chicago, and Brooklyn in 1995. It had that absolute chill feel that you don't really get in Brooklyn, because Brooklyn ain't all chill. You know, New York is a rush. The workshop tour starts at Alexanderplatz. We collect everyone by 12 o'clock. So we give them a little history of who we are, let them know that they are getting something authentic. The first thing these people are going to see actually is going to be the U-Bahn. You know, they get to get on the U8, yeah, the U8. The greatest thing about the U8 is that it is one of the most diverse trains in this city. The tour is basically us taking the people towards Kreuzberg. That's kind of where graffiti and street art started before the wall came down. So naturally, we like to take people there. We encourage people to ask a lot of questions. The more questions you ask, the more we get to talk, because we're tour guides, so we love talking. ask questions, we'll keep talking. That's our tour. Then after that, you know, we take you guys to a workshop. We get to show everyone exactly how to make cool street art. We teach everyone from students to kids and different people of all different sorts, some artists, some not artists. And we get to show people a beautiful culture and give them something to take home. You get to make your own stencil, full color. We show you exactly how to do it. What separates us from any other tour company in all of Germany, especially when it comes to graffiti and street art, is that you're getting something authentic. You're getting real people, real artists that really dive into this culture. You know, we have experienced it, we have lived it, or for some of us, we're still living it. And then after that, I can't tell you what you're going to see because you got to take the tour. I can't, I'm sorry. You got to take the tour. I'm not going to tell you what you're going to see, but I will tell you this. Once you see it, you're not going to forget it.